7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to another video. It is Toya here. Thank you guys so much for watching. So there are different kinds of men, there are different kinds of relationships, and some men just really don't like the whole makeup thing. They don't like their girl to have a cake face, and most importantly they don't have the patience to wait for a cake face to bake when you're about to go out. So Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I thought I would do literally a 5-minute Valentine's Day look that is very minimalistic. They won't even know that you're wearing any makeup. That's how light it is, but it still looks very radiant. It's perfect for date night. If you guys are about to go out on a date and you don't want to be late, this is the perfect makeup look to try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos, and also thumbs up this video if you like the makeup look. All my social media links will be below, so don't forget to follow me on those as well to keep up with me on the daily. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and yeah, just stay tuned for the tutorial. So as you guys can see, this look has no highlight, no contour, no lashes. It's really just all about skin and a glow. You want to begin first by moisturizing those lips so that they're kissably soft. I'm just using this petroleum jelly and placing that all over my lips so that they can get some conditioning before I move on to the rest of my makeup. To even the skin tone, I'm going in with this Secret Cover Concealer from Milani, and I'm applying that all over my skin with this beauty blender. This definitely builds up from medium to full coverage, so it will definitely cover all scars and dark marks if you have any of those, and it will still look just like your skin. So it's perfect for date night. So we're not going for Instagram brows, today we're going for some neutral eyebrows. So just take your favorite brow pencil and fill those in lightly. I'm using this Fabu-Brow pencil from Jordana Cosmetics in Midnight Brown, making some light hair-like strokes so that they're not overdrawn. For an instant smoky grungy effect, I'm using this black eyeliner to line my lower lash line and also my upper lash line. Don't worry too much about being too neat with this because it really doesn't matter. The smokier the better, and it will add to the grungy look and more focus on those beautiful eyes. So since we won't be applying any false lashes, we're going to load up on mascara. I'm taking my 3 favorite ones right now. They're different consistency, different brushes, so they're definitely going to give me maximum volume. I'm just packing those onto my top and bottom lashes. Now once the eyes are complete, we're going to move on to the lips. Take a nude pink lipstick and just apply that all over the lips. I'm using Matte Naked from Milani. As you can see, it's a little bit ashy, so it's more on the matte side, but we need a glossy finish. I'm actually taking 2 colors. This Aphorism Lipgloss in this rosy pink color. I'm applying that all over the lips, and then I'm just going to go into the center with a pale pink gloss, also by Aphorism. You can use any pink gloss of your choice. To finish the face, we're going to add a radiant glow. I'm taking this eyeshadow from Milani called Copper Excess. It's one of my favorite low-end highlighting products. I'm just going to apply that to all the areas where I normally highlight for a beautiful radiant glow. That's just going to make you look epic on date night. Once you've added your glow, you are ready to slay date night with Bae. You guys see that highlight? Look at that highlight. Don't sleep on those cheap highlighting products, guys. They are life. All right. Speaking of highlighting, my question of the day is, what is your favorite highlighting product? Tell me in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.